The following segment is sponsored by Hilton Salt Lake City Center.
It isn't summer without a fresh watermelon salad. I'm here with Chef Tony from Hilton Salt Lake City Center. Tony, great to see you.
Great to see you as well, Carrie. Thanks for having me.
I'm so excited to have you here because what you brought is just artwork. It looks
Thank
incredible.
you very much.
You're going to make a watermelon salad.
Correct.
Where do we start?
So what we're going to do actually, so this is going to be a new dish that's going to be on our next launch of our summer menus for Spencer's lunch and dinner.
Okay.
It's going to be a compressed watermelon salad. So what we do actually is take some fresh orange juice, some fresh lime juice, and some of our honey from our own hives up on the roof of our hotel. And we're just going to put that into this vacuum sealed bag with some fresh mint. And you can get a vacuum sealer pretty easy these days and do this at home quite simply. You just put the watermelon in there, you put the orange juice and all the ingredients in there, it sucks all the air out and it just pushes all that flavor right into the watermelon.
With like the herbs and the juice and everything,
Correct.
so just kind of
so
marinates
it's
it.
super fresh, super vibrant, super summery. And then we are simply going to be pairing that today with some lovely hydro bib lettuce.
Goodness, how long do you let that sit in there, Tony?
Typically, you'd want to let it sit overnight, about 24 hours or so.
Overnight, okay.
Yep.
And you put mint in there, and what else did you have in there?
Yes, fresh mint, fresh orange juice, and fresh lime juice.
Well, and you have fresh ingredients at the Hilton because of the herb garden. Tell us about that.
We do have an herb garden. So on our patio, Trophy Patio, that's our breakfast restaurant, we have all different types of fresh herbs, and then this year we just installed fresh cucumbers and fresh tomatoes and peppers and some other various fun things. So
oh my goodness.
A lot of good fresh ingredients coming to us.
Well, and the honey comes from your very own beehives that they're at the hotel. Tell us
Correct.
about that.
So we do something called Honey with Purpose at the hotel. It's all about sustainability, community involvement, and we have 4 hives. And typically by the end of the year, it allows us to utilize about 14, 15 gallons of fresh honey in all different types of things we do at the hotel.
In the ingredients in the dessert, what are some of the desserts that have the honey in them?
So we currently have a honey lemon cheesecake. We put it in our creme brulee. We also put it in our huckleberry cobbler. It goes into the actual butter cake that's got the fresh vanilla ice cream that we make in house, as well as the huckleberry sauce.
I've tried the honey. It is delicious. Let's talk about the lunch menu too. Tell me, what are some of the favorites?
So currently right now we are actually getting ready to launch a new summer menu. So it's going to be fantastic, very, very vibrant, very bright. You're going to see a lot of fresh salads like this, as well as promoting our steak and frites. We just started making our own hand-cut fries in-house too, so we're going to be really pushing local beef that we source, as well as our homemade French fries. Do
you have a favorite? If somebody hasn't been, what should they get?
If somebody hasn't been,
yeah.
I actually, this is something that I've been doing for a long time now, and I really, really enjoy it. It's one of my favorite salads ever. So. And
what about on the dinner menu too? Is this going to be on the dinner menu?
It absolutely will be. But the beautiful thing about the salad is you can add any of our fresh fish to it, salmon. We're going to be having halibut on the menu, sea bass, fresh locally sourced trout, any of our steaks, fresh chicken breasts.
This is so good. And you left that about 24 hours overnight?
Correct.
Oh my goodness, Tony.
And then on top of that, we got some other different varietals of tomatoes we're going to be putting on there. We got some Camparis, we got some baby heirlooms, some larger heirlooms, some different types of cucumbers, Persians, English.
Okay, should we finish it up really quick?
Straight absolutely.
About 30 seconds.
Okay.
I already ate some of the watermelon.
No worries. Like, you can just mix and match and have as much fun with this as you would like. Absolutely. Get some tomatoes on there.
Put some of this.
These are really sweet. I had one of these this morning. These are incredible.
I'm just going to go for this. Is that okay, Tony?
Yep.
Look how beautiful this is. Lovely. I love it. Okay, tell us where we can get this one more time.
We can get this at Spencer's for lunch or dinner. That is located within this Hilton Salt Lake City Center. You want to find out more information about that, you can go to spencerslc.com.
Perfect. Tony, thanks so much. Happy summer.
Thank you. Happy summer as well.
Love it so much. It's delicious.